It's Chinese Language Week up until the 2nd of October. And because of that, we're going to do a quick impromptu succulent session here tonight. A little night session. Beauty. Look at my beauties here. I'm just pretty much just showing off. But yeah, here's all the babies here. I love these guys, eh? But yeah, we're gonna transplant into this big old pot here. Anita has gifted me this pot. Bloody beautiful. It reminds me of her. No, says, eh?
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you really?
Nah, is that one rolling now? Because I'll just carry on. Oh, check it out.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, cute. Ooh. So carrying on from Dr. Emoto's water experiment, I've named my plants here. So I've got beautiful, I put loving, I put grow strong, put kia kaha. I'm just gonna put that in the inside there and stick that. You don't have to do this, but I would recommend that you have a little Google of Dr. Emoto's experiment. Alright, well, I'm going to break this down into 3 easy steps for you.